Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are well and good. I am also well and good. So I have come here with a new problem sum of matrix, that is A is equals to 3, 1, minus 1 and 2. Now we need to find the value of K, where A square is equals to Ka minus 7i. So we have the value of Ka as this. Now we need to find the value of K. So now let's start. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. So we are given as A square. So for A square we will write the equation first, that is A square is equals to Ka minus 7i. Now I will say what does I signify here. So first A square. So A square I can write it as 3, 1, minus 1 and 2. So A square I can write it as A into A. A square is actually A into A, right? So I will write A terms twice. So 3, 1, minus 1 and 2. Fine. Now, since we don't know the value of K, so we will write K as it is. And for A, for K and for A, we can write it as 3, 1, minus 1 and 2. Minus 7, and for I, what is I? I is our identity matrix. So for identity matrix, value is, hope everyone knows it. If they don't know, then I is equals to 1, 0 and 0 and 1. In most of the questions, identity matrix values are not given and you need to write it by your own. So identity matrix is 1, 0, 0 and 1. So now, don't get puzzled if the value of I is not given. Use your own and start your problem. So now we will solve both this simultaneously. So first we will solve this. 3. So we will multiply this. 3 into 3. It means 3 into 3. 3 into 3 plus 1 into minus 1. This with this. This with this. So 3 into 1. Plus 1 into 2. Again, this minus 1, this into this. So, minus 1 into 3 plus 2 into minus 1. Again, this with this. So, minus 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2. Right? What we do in matrix? First, we will multiply this with this and this with this. Again, this and this. And in second step, this line with this line, again this line with this line. That is equals to K we have to find out. So we can write it as this. This can be written as 3K or K3 I have written, that is 3K. Fine, I will cut it and write 3K. And this multiplying K with 1 is K minus K, and 2 into K is 2K, right? And minus, first we will multiply this also. So 7 1s are 7, 7 0 is 0, 7 0 is 0, 7 1 is 7. So this is our second term. Now we will solve this. 3 into 3 is 9, 9 minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, minus 3 minus minus is plus minus is minus, 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3 plus 2, minus 1 plus 4. See, these steps I am writing it step by step so that no confusion is created. But if you want, you can skip this step and directly multiply it and add it simultaneously. So now we will also minus this with this. So 3K, we will write it as 3K minus 7, K minus 0 is K, okay fine, K minus 0, minus K minus 0, 2K minus 7, fine. This can also be eliminated, but since I have to make you understand, so I am writing every steps possible so that no confusion is created later on. So 9 minus 1 is 8, 3 plus 2 is 5, minus 2, 3 minus 2 is minus 5, 4 minus 1 is 3. That is equals to 3k minus 7. K minus 0 is k. Minus k minus 0 is minus k. And 2k minus 7. Now, what was our motive? Our motive was to find the value of k. Now we will equate this to equation. So if you will equate this to equation, we can directly see, if you will see this 4, then you can directly see that in this term we can directly find the value of k as 5. Or if you want, you can check this out for all the equations. I will show them, but the answer of k will be always 5. So from this equation we got that k is equals to 5. Now if you want to recheck it for all the equations, now I will do it that too for you. Here first let's start with this. 8 equals to 3k minus 7. But for the examination point of view, or if you need to have directly MCQs, then don't start solving for all the equations. Directly check this out that k is equals to 5. So directly tick the answer. But here, since I am showing you, so I am rechecking for all the terms. So 8 is equals to 3k minus 7, or 8, here this is minus, that will get add up here, then 3k. 7 plus 8 is 15, that is equals to 3k, or k is equals to 15 by 3, or k is equals to 5. Fine. We got k equals to 5 from by equating this. This we have already said that k is equals to 5. Now in third equation we got minus k is equals to minus 5. If we cancel this both term, then we get k is equals to 5 from this equation too. Now again 2k minus 7 is equals to 3. 2k minus 7 is equals to 3. 2k is equals to 3. This is minus. Here it adds up. So 2k is equals to 10, or k is equals to 10 by 2. K is equals to 5. So you have seen that for all the equations of k, for all the equations we got the value of k as 5. So you no need to show this all. But if you check out where you can directly get the answer of k, here in first equation itself, in first line itself, we got the value of k as directly as 5. So you don't need to do all of this and show it in even in exam paper. So hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then stay tuned to my channel and also watch all my old videos. Bye bye, take care, love you all, stay motivated, bye bye.